Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. My YouTube channel is to promote home cooking as a way of life. I will refer to other videos along the way. Please click the info icon on the top right hand corner of the screen to open the video link. In this video, I'm going to show you a fried rice, which I call it a Fiesta fried rice for a special occasion, or you simply want to bring some color into your dinner. The following are the basic steps of this fried rice. Step 1. Saute 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Step 2. Add cooked rice. Step 3. Break up the rice. Step 4. Add eggs. Step 5. Spread and fry eggs. Step 6. Add broccoli stem. Step 7. Add purple cabbage. Step 8. Add frozen corn. Step 9. Add carrots. Step 10. Add broccoli. Step 11. Add seasonings. And step 12. Add scallion. This fried rice will appeal to both young and old, vegetarians and others, both culinary and visually. Rice is critical to a good fried rice. When the rice is too mushy, the fried rice loses its appeal. In another video, I discuss how to cook rice to prepare for making fried rice. If you have not seen that video, please take a look at it. The order I add the ingredients during cooking depends on how long I want to cook them. For example, I add the broccoli stem in the beginning of the cooking process because I want to cook them longer so they will not be too crunchy. I add the broccoli floret toward the end to prevent them from being too mushy. The reason for adding the broccoli floret is to give the fried rice a distinct broccoli flavor. Please see my video on prepping the broccoli floret as well as the stems. There are 3 reasons for adding the chopped red cabbage, the sweet corn, the grated carrots, and the scallions. And first and foremost is to increase the representation of vegetables in our diet. Second is to create a complex natural flavor so that we can reduce our sodium consumption. Last but not the least is to create the visual appeal. With its beautiful color combination, this fried rice adds to the spirit of festivity and celebration. I recommend you to sample the fried rice as you cook, so you can tell how each ingredient adds to the flavor of the fried rice. You might not want to add any additional seasonings, perhaps just a little bit salt and pepper. The seasoning that I use are based on my personal preference. You might want to give it a try and change it accordingly. They are 3 parts of mushroom seasoning, 1 part of paprika, 2 parts of lemon pepper, half part of cumin, half part of ginger powder, 1 part of garlic powder, and 1 part of minced onion flakes. The ratio is more important than the amount, and I change the ratio according to different dishes. You can take a look at my other video of different ways to season fried rice. In another video, I cook a broccoli fried rice, which is very similar to this one, and this is based on the same template. I want to emphasize you should treat this as a template rather than as a recipe. Template cooking is far more powerful than recipe cooking. You can see this video about this topic. In summary, let me list the key aspects in making this fried rice dish. They are: number 1, prepare the cooked rice. Number 2, ready the ingredients. Number 3, spot season the wok. Number 4, have seasoning ready. And number 5, start to cook. I recommend you to give this dish a try. It is fun, easy, and it is also beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to receive notification of my future postings. I'll see you next time and stay safe.